Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are going to be making Moo Moo milk milkshakes from Pokémon. Flavia and I recently played the remakes of Pearl and Diamond, and we saw it there and we were like, we could do that. So Flavs and I both got back from uni and we were both dead tired, and we're just like, you know what, we could really restore 100 HP right now. Do we have some dairy products? Yes, we do. So that's what we're making. Come join us. These are the ingredients we're going to need. Flavia. These are the ingredients, not them. 2.5 cups of ice cream, 1.5 cups of milk. We're using full cream milk from a milk tank, of course. Teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, a pinch of salt. You might be thinking, salt? Why salt? Helps bring out the flavor of the vanilla and helps balances it. And then I've got these cute little milk bottles. I thought they were so cute, and these are authentic milk tank Moo Moo milk bottles. We didn't just print these off the internet. Thank you very much. And then we've got some reusable straws, some purple fabric, and little ties to top them off. It's gonna be really cute. Let's get started and make the best milkshake. Like no milkshake ever was. You're going to find your best blender because it has to be the best quality. And we're going to put our ice cream, Moo Moo milk, vanilla bean paste, and salt into the blender. Then you're going to blend the ingredients on a high speed for about 10 seconds. And you're just going to see how beautiful, thick and creamy it is. And it's definitely going to raise your HP. What a bonus. It's going to bring all the Pokemon to the yard and their life is better than yours. Okay guys, so that's how you make my Moo Moo milk milkshakes. I'm so excited because they already smell so good with the vanilla, and I'm just so excited. I hope you make these because look how cute they are. It's not hard, and I think that'll just bring a little bit of happiness and 100 HP to anyone. I love it so much, and yeah, let's eat. Oh no, let's not eat, let's drink.
He's like so cute.
I know, it's adorable. It's just like, that just went over there. But yes, I'm so excited. And we're using sustainable straws because environment. Cheers. Well, wait, hold up.
Yeah.
But yes, I'm so excited.
Oh, this vanilla just punches you in the face.
I mean, there's just something special about a milkshake, and then having it in a Moo Moo milk glass is just, it's just making me relive my childhood.
I know.
/ yesterday.
So yeah, so I was like last night, 1 a.m. playing Pokemon. What? That wasn't me.
Shh, stop giving our secrets. Anyway. Definitely feel restored. Haven't gotten the full 100 HP. I'm probably only about 10 because I haven't finished drinking it yet.
Yeah.
By the end of this, we're probably going to go running around hunting for more Pokemon. Yeah. Let's go. No, actually, I just want to drink. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And please leave us a comment down here. We'd really love to hear back from you. Let us know if you want us to make anything. Ideally fandom. Pew, pew, pew. Finger guns.
Lame.
I don't care.